Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From there, let's scroll down to Storage, and then tap on your SD card. Once you open up the SD card, you want to tap on the three dots, go to the Storage Settings, and from here you should see Format option. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that formatting erases all data currently stored on the SanDisk SD card, which is basically the name of the card. To avoid losing data, consider backing it up. And yeah, basically whatever is on that SD card will be completely removed. So if you want to keep it, make a copy of it, I don't know, on your computer or something. And once that's done, you can proceed further on. That's assuming you want to keep some data on it. If you don't, just disregard it and tap on Erase and Format. Process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one, only takes about a couple of seconds. There we go. Click on done and you're finished with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.